Clear channels, promote blood circulation, recommended duration, 10 minutes. Apply some oil to your hands and warm it by rubbing them together, then spread it on the abdomen. Alternately knead the belly with both hands. Lift from the waist side to the groin with both hands alternately. Alternately push the ascending colon up, the transverse colon sideways, and the descending colon down using both hands. Overlap your hands and move in small clockwise circles around the navel. Lift the belt vessel on both sides of the waist with both hands alternately. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply gel evenly. Cavi 30K and RF application. Recommended time, 15 minutes. Recommended RF energy level, 3. Recommended 30K energy level, 3. Recommended 30K mode, M1. Move the handle in small circles around the navel. Move the handle in big circles around the navel. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle and hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply essential oil. RF and suction application. Recommended duration, 15 minutes. Recommended energy level, 3. Suction intensity, set according to individual endurance. Recommended suction time, 0.5. Recommended release time, 0.2. Suction time should be longer than release time. Move the handle in small circles around the navel. Move the handle in big circles around the navel. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle and hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Laser pad application. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended duration, 20 minutes. Recommended mode, M1. Take a strap, select from short, medium, and long straps according to individual size, and fix it on the abdomen. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Let it work for 20 minutes.